Hello and welcome. Today we've got this Bosch GBH4DFE. It's plugged in and all, but it's not going. First thing you look at is the brushes, and the brushes are accessible on the bottom here. Looking at the brushes, even if I pull one out here, I don't think these are the type of the stoppers on them. There's a butt there. That wouldn't stop her from going completely, so I would say it's probably not the brushes. Try this at home. I'm going to plug her in again and give the brushes a little wiggle, give the lead a little wiggle, and see if we can get anything to activate here. I'm going to use this insulated screwdriver to make things a wee bit better, hopefully. What do we see? I'm happy with the switch here. Giving this brush a poke here. Don't think it's a brush, not this. This shouldn't be able to be. Not this. See, that's the problem. That connection's broke there. That's the problem. So that's safely unplugged again now, and what I need to do is I'll probably pull out that brush. Alright, and screw out this brush holder to see what I can do. It's that pulled out. You can see the difference there. This connection's broke. It's been singed and burned and messed up, you know. So we're gonna have to try and get some kind of soldering job done on there or something. If I can get a bit of wire soldered onto that, maybe it'd save me a lot of stripping. That's not making contact with anything in there, just pulled it in through the other side here. I'm going to have to keep that wire tight right enough. There's going to be no margin for error. Put this well back because I'm going to use one of these things here. It's called a wee solder stick. It's handier in soldering, and when you have plenty of room, it's easier. We've got to tuck our wires on now. So that they don't beat in the way. Put the brush back on now. I'm going to hot glue this in place so it doesn't move. So you don't want these wires moving. So here we are, she's all back together, all the screws in. This is the moment of truth now. I'm calling that fixed, so if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.